Make a luxurious headboard yourself. 30+ inspiring ideas on how to do it. Beds with prominent headboards have been a trend in recent years. A wooden or upholstered headboard adds charm to a bed, but the truth is, it can be a significant investment. However, if you make it yourself, you'll save money. A bed with a headboard looks more comfortable, luxurious, and safer. The headboard protects you from drafts and the cold radiating from the wall. You can lean against it without worrying about dirtying the wall, especially if you like to read in bed. You can also attach a night lamp, mood lighting, or other decorations to the headboard. Come get inspired with us, and maybe you'll find an interesting idea to transform your bed.